1.
It's my little boy. We were looking for some pants for my husband. Now I can't find him.
Don't worry, ma'am. We'll find him. How old is he?
He's 7.
I see. And what color is his hair?
It's light brown.
Don't worry. We'll find him for you.
2.
My little girl was here a minute ago, and now I can't find her.
She's probably in the toy section. Can you describe her?
Yes, she's 5 years old.
And what color hair does she have?
Brown, and it's very curly.
All right. Let's go to the toy section and see if she's there.
3.
Has anyone seen a young kid?
How old, sir?
He's 10. He's always getting lost. Drives me crazy.
Where did you last see him?
Over by the video equipment.
What color is his hair?
Blonde and pretty long. Too long.
4.
Excuse me, I've lost my little boy. We were looking at some microwaves, and he was bored and...
Calm down, sir. Can you describe him?
Yes, he's 8, really cute.
And what color is his hair?
Dark brown.
Okay, let's see where he is. Just sit down and relax.
5.
Excuse me, I've lost my daughter.
Is she around 13, about average height, with short blonde hair?
Why, yes.
She's looking for you. Over there, in the shoe department.
Thanks a lot.